In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and clean your Mailchimp contact lists effectively. First, let's log into your Mailchimp account. If you're not already familiar, you'll want to navigate to the Mailchimp website and enter your personal login credentials. Once logged in, take a moment to get your bearings. You'll see your dashboard with various options, but let's focus on managing your audience. To get started, head over to the audience section. You'll find it in the main menu. Once there, click on Manage Contacts. This is the hub where you'll oversee all your subscriber lists and data. In the drop-down menu under Manage Contacts, you can choose either cleaned contacts or bounced contacts. Now, to clear up any potential confusion, cleaned contacts are those email addresses that have been hard bounced or repeatedly soft bounced, and Mailchimp has designated them to keep your lists healthy. Bounced contacts, meanwhile, refer to emails that were returned to you. The system labels these in order to prevent future email campaigns from not reaching your audience. Once you've made your selection, review the reasons why those contacts have been marked as cleaned or bounced. This can typically be due to incorrect email addresses, full inboxes of your recipients, or maybe even server issues. Understanding why they bounced can offer insights into resolving these issues more effectively. Next, it's time to reach out. Contact the subscribers in question, politely ask them to confirm their email addresses, or gently prompt them to update their details if necessary. It might feel a bit daunting at first, but a simple, courteous email can go a long way. Many people just forget to keep their subscription details updated, and often they're happy to rectify this for you. After you've made contact, it's time to update your Mailchimp list. If subscribers have confirmed or corrected their details, you'll re-import these corrected contacts. This is a crucial step to ensure they receive your future newsletter campaigns. Alternatively, you might ask them to resubscribe using a new form you provide. This not only helps you clean up your list, but also revalidates a committed audience base. And there you have it, a thorough process of cleaning and managing your contacts in Mailchimp. Keeping your contact list updated ensures a higher deliverability rate and sets the stage for successful campaigns. Remember, a well-maintained list is a valuable asset. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.